In India, in a small town called Kollam, which is in Kerala, lies Jatayu. Hello and welcome to my channel. I've uploaded pictures of Jatayu on my photography page and I've been getting a lot of questions about it. I'll be talking about those questions in this video and also give you guys a brief walkthrough of the place. What are its timings? It's open between 9:30 am to 5:30 pm. The lunch break and maintenance is from 12 to 1:30. I would recommend going around 2:30 pm. Now let's talk about transport. The closest airport is the Trivandrum International Airport, which is 52 kilometers from the park. The closest railway station is the Kottarakara railway station, which is 22 kilometers away from the park, which will approximately take 30 minutes to reach by road. How do we reach the top of the hill? Well, there are multiple ways. The first way being just to climb. It takes around 826 steps to reach the top and costs rupees 300 per person. The next way is by using the cable car facility. It costs around rupees 660 per person and I would recommend taking the cable car. The next option is to take the helicopter ride. It costs around 2500 per person, but I assure you, you will get the best view possible. Sadly, this was not available the day we went. The next question is, what are the other activities? And I've been asked this question a lot. Let me tell you, there are multiple activities you can enjoy with your friends and family over there, like bouldering, paintball, commando net, valley crossing, free climbing, trekking, archery, and many more. This is the entrance to Jatayu Earth's Center. There's ample amount of parking space available and is very well maintained. Here's where you buy the tickets if you haven't already booked them online. Note that bags and food items are not allowed inside. You can leave them in the lockers. Small camera bags are allowed though. After buying the tickets, this is where you'll have to head towards. You'll have to stand in line over here and put on the tag which they give you on your wrist. It looks something like this on your wrist. This is the waiting area. There's literally nobody here because we went during the lunchtime. We did not know that there's going to be a lunchtime and we're going to stop the whole thing for maintenance. And now we get into the cable car. I'm going to let you guys watch the whole video, but I just want to say one thing before I stop talking. When you're in the cable car, there might be wind on the way, and when that happens, the cable car will stop so that there's no imbalance and there's no disruption in the cable car. Don't get scared, just enjoy the view. And that's the end of the video. Make sure to check the description because I'll be leaving all the important links over there as well as Jatayu Earth Center's official website link. Thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and see you next time.